So children, now let us start with the next question, that is question number 20. Okay. So coming to question number 20, here there are two vectors are given. So no doubt this is from the chapter vectors itself. So whenever he say perpendicular, directly realize that the perpendicular angle theta is equal to 90 degrees. In such case, it is better to go for dot product instead of cross product. So better to go for dot. Other name is that scalar. So this is from scalar product topic. Subtopic is scalar product. Okay, from vectors chapter. So what we know here is that for this scalar product or dot product, what we know is that if there are two vectors A and B, we could write it as A dot B is given by mod A, mod B, cos theta. This is what the formula we know it. Now what I do is that here in place of A and B is saying P and Q. Okay, let me write or dot product of two vectors P and Q, mod of P, mod of Q, cos theta. So perpendicular, no, so angle is given as cos 90. So what we get here is that mod P, mod Q, cos 90 is 0. So P dot Q is equal to 0, isn't it? So P dot Q equal to 0. So let us go with the dot product of these two. Substitute these two. P I plus 2M J plus MK like this. So I J K. So this is P. Coming to Q, 4I minus 2J plus MK, like this you get it, equal to 0. So do you know the basics of dot product? I dot I equal to J dot J equal to K dot K equal to 1. So other one will be I dot J or J dot K or K dot I will be equal to 0, isn't it? So from the basics, I dot I equal to J dot J equal to K dot K equal to 1. Whereas I dot J or J dot K or K dot I equal to 0, like this we are having. So if I take other parameters like other vectors I, J and J, K, like that, I am getting answer 0. So no need of multiplying with other thing. Directly you multiply the same thing, that is I and I, J and J, K and K. Okay. So here these two are I and I, these two are J and J, and these two are K and K. So let us do with that. Okay. So 1I, 4I, 1I dot 4I. Now 2mj, so that is 2m along j axis dot minus 2j plus mk dot mk, like this we are having, isn't it? Which is equal to 0. So I and I is 1. So here we will get it as 1 into 4 as 4. Or you could write I square. 4I square or simply 4. Why? Because I square is 1. No, I dot I is 1. 2m into minus 2. So this is nothing but into. Here this dot is nothing but we are multiplying this. Okay. Like this. Write like this also. Okay. So what was left here is that 2m and minus 2. So you get it as minus 4m. M and m. Okay. So here you get it as m square is equal to 0. So final expression is 4 minus 4m plus m square equal to 0. You could rewrite like this, m square minus 4m plus 4 equal to 0. Clear? Now we could write it as m minus 2 whole square equal to 0, isn't it? So m minus 2 equal to 0. From this we get it as m equal to 2. With this, we have done our 20th question. Now let us move to the next one.